Quant is currently rejecting that weekly golden pocket we've been talking about ever since November. So we were anticipating a potential pump if 100 was lost, getting ready for the dump. 100 not being lost, no dump. This little double bottom over here on the smaller time frame, followed by this larger one, and yeah, a target has been met, we can say, because we're running into this golden pocket. There is a more aggressive target on a different quant chart that's saying we could come up to here, but for now it seems as if we've broken out of this double bottom and met one of our targets, which is the golden pocket, and currently with that weekly candle close rejecting the golden pocket. What I would say though is, although it's looking quite nasty at the moment, there's a certain key level which I mentioned last week that we need to stay above. But not only that, as we closed within, let's see the close, 151, so within 150. So although we're going down right now, could it just be a wick to continue up, and this week actually pushing through the golden pocket? This is what we're going to talk about today. Could we be coming into $190? Let's scale down to the lower time frames now. So going over to the daily real quick, we can see the rejections here. So we did have a nicer doji or shooting star, whatever you guys want to argue about. It's just showing indecision or weakness. That momentum is dying. Do we have these big green candles? No, they started reducing the momentum. So with that, momentum shifted over there with a bearish engulfing candle. Not only that, you do have another shooting star followed by today's bearish engulfing. So the signs were there on the daily. If you're very confident with the daily time frame, I would say, yeah, try and master this first. That's what I've been trying to do with you guys over the last year. So make sure you are subscribed so you get to know the strategies. But yeah, daily time frame saying bearish. We do have the 20 sitting at 140. That's interesting to me. I like that. But the 55, 130, and deepest correction to hold bullish, 123. However, I'm going to show you some lower time frame supports that really can't be lost. So last week, so let's go to the 4 hour first. So last week I mentioned this higher low over here, $136. I don't remember if we were somewhere over here or up there, but I was essentially saying that we could come all the way down to 136 and it still be okay. So it looks like we've started that journey at the moment. So luckily enough, I was already warning you guys last week of this correction, and luckily enough, we're starting to get it. So yeah, you can see that price has pushed through the 55. So guys, this is where we're getting pulled towards like a magnet, but this is the lowest wick of that range. So where are the higher wicks? Oh, about this price over here. There's a wick over here. There's a wick of support and resistance. So this is the price of about $140. So yeah, it's still a $3 drop from there. This would be minimal. You could take it down to here as well, 139. Or I'm just going to draw this golden pocket out for you guys. So from there to there, just measuring this dip just in case we push through, which we did and met the targets. So if we want to continue to $180, which is just what we spoke about earlier in the video, 180 to 190. If we want to continue to these price points, we need to remain above the 0.5 fib over here and this 200 moving average sitting at $134. So going forward, remain above this. What I mean by this is currently we're hunting that. We're trying to come down towards this golden pocket. You can bounce off 139. That's why I said you can take a short from to there or there, or you could wait out for that, but there's no guarantee that comes. I'm just saying that as long as we are above this price, we should continue up there. Not saying that we will hit it, but yeah, at the moment with this 4 hour closure below the 55, as well as the wick of this range, the low of this range, price is trying to continue lower, and in my eyes is continuing lower. It is continuing lower, as at the moment we've got this wick rejection. Of course, things can change very quickly. We can bounce from here, quickly invalidate. This could all be a fake out, so let me prepare for you guys. See a candle closure back above the 55 at 147, back above 150. That is our go time. So that might not be today, that might be later on the week, but when we are back above that 1 fib level, wow, it's onwards and upwards. 160, 170, 180. Understand that. But for the moment, what I must say, as we are below that 1 fib level, which again, we were holding as support. So that's our low. And we do have a wick a little bit lower. So this is our low of the range. But oh my gosh, this is the super low point. You can't lose this whatsoever. 145. And what's happened? We've gone and lost it. So that's why for now, as long as we remain below, we are anticipating a dump towards 137 and 139, and we know that we can't go below 137. Of course, if you do and you quickly reclaim it, that's not going below because you're reclaiming it, you're above it again. So yeah, only ones that clearly lost, you're never getting back above it again. Yes, going lower, back down to 127, 127, 129. But yeah, as long as we can remain above it, we can reverse and continue onwards and upwards. 160, 170, 180. That's pretty much it for today's update. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to contact me, unfortunately my Twitter got taken down. I'm in the process of getting it back, but there's no guarantee I get it back. So I've made a new one. I'm going to make a second YouTube channel and just separate content. I haven't thought about when I'm going to do that. Very soon though, I'll let you guys know when I do. But if you want to contact me about the course or the mentorship, head over to my new personal Twitter, Louis Vibes _ Louis Vibes _ VIBES. I'll link it down below. Don't worry guys. Cheers.